Welcome to this quick guide on optimizing your calling experience with Pentera Networks Streams app. In this video, we'll show you how to maximize call quality by managing inbound and outbound calls, as well as configuring your phone for the best performance. Let's jump right in. We've all been there on an important call when the quality drops or disconnects. Not ideal, right? This often happens because many apps rely on your phone's internet connection, which isn't always reliable. But what if you could switch between Wi-Fi and your cellular network? With this flexibility, you can choose the best option for clear, uninterrupted calls anytime, anywhere. For inbound calls, you have the flexibility to choose where they ring. If we go with the soft phone option, it means the calls will go through the app using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, if we choose PSTN instead, this means the calls will be made directly through your carrier's voice network for reliability. Keep in mind, we'll need to specify the DID in question for this case. All right. So to set this up, we'll start by creating your call routing plan on the desktop application. Just like so, we'll give it a name. And then you simply choose how and where you want your calls to ring. I'll show you how to access it real quick. Go into settings. Then go to basic settings, and then we'll click on call routing. Here's where you can go ahead and create your new plan. All right. Now, once your plans are created, you can easily switch between them from the mobile application to match your current needs, ensuring every call is clear and reliable. Once your call routing plans are set up on the desktop, switching between them on the mobile app is easy. Just open the Streams app, go to Settings, select Call Forward Plan. From here, you can choose the plan that best fits your current connectivity, ensuring every call reaches you the way you prefer. For outbound calls, Streams gives you flexibility with click to call. I'll show you how you can access it from here. We'll come into settings, then click on advanced settings right here, and then we'll click on this CTC settings button. All right. Now, you can choose to place calls through the app using soft phone, in this case, over Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can go ahead and select PSTN phone to route calls through your carrier's voice network for a more consistent experience. Now, if you have multiple registered devices, you can also set Streams to always prompt you to choose your preferred calling method. This ensures you always have the best connection, whether you're on Wi-Fi, mobile data, or in areas with limited coverage. Managing your outbound call preferences from the app is just as simple. In the Streams app, you go to Settings. Then we'll go to CTC Settings, where you can choose between soft phone, PSTN, or always being prompted to select a device before placing a call. This way, you're always in control of your quality and connection type. Finally, make sure your phone is set up for success. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, tap on Cellular Data, and then Show All. And now we need to toggle Streams on to allow cellular data, just like so. Now, for a smoother experience, ensure low data mode is off under cellular data options. You can also enable Wi-Fi assist right here to automatically switch to cellular when Wi-Fi is weak. At Pentera Networks, we're dedicated to keeping you connected anytime, anywhere, and on any network. With the flexibility of our mobile app, you can ensure every call is crystal clear and reliable, no matter the circumstances. Thanks for watching.